So we were working on this join part, and I hope I explained the primary key, foreign key
Yeah.
constraint to you.
Yeah. You finish explaining.
Okay, let me open. That is fine. Hmm. So actually, it is already there. So I'll create this,
Mhm.
and we'll start things.
Okay.
I think we have the course ID already there.
Yeah.
Course ID is there. We inserted these details. We have this. We have the branches.
Mhm.
We have these things. Okay, that's fine. Student table, or we are taking already there values. So now constraint not null, unique, primary key and foreign key I already explained.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm creating one table, that is the student fee. Hmm.
Okay.
So now I want to provide some group, and how to provide the data. These are called the basically the aggregate function. So we will work on it
Okay.
and we will understand how these work. So these are the tables. I'll share the whole script to you. I hope you are aware of these all those things. So
Yeah.
there is no need to explain more and more. So let me click on that. This is the student fee table, student ID, or you can provide the student roll number. We taking the roll number, no? So you can the
Yeah. We.
student roll number, and post that you can take. This is the integer, a numeric and integer, whatever you can take.
Yeah.
And semester course fee, we are taking the fee as per the semester wise.
Mhm.
So first semester you are depositing the course fee, tuition fee, other fee, rebate, some due date and paid date. If it is paid,
Okay.
then we have the paid, it is already paid. Otherwise we have the due date of that, something rebate we are providing beyond on this merit list or something else. Other fee, tuition fee or course fee, these fee would be add, and this fee would be deduct, and total we
Okay.
will calculate the final fee that has to be paid per student. And the
Okay.
combination of basically, if I'll put this student roll number as a primary key, what primary
Mhm.
key should be there as per your understanding?
Student ID is the primary key.
Student ID, suppose student roll number should be primary key.
Student roll number. Yeah. Student roll number.
But what is the meaning of primary key? Primary key duplicate can be inserted or not?
Duplicate can't be inserted.
Duplicate can't be inserted. So suppose Alaika is taking a course, suppose MBA, or he is taking BE. In
Okay.
BE we have the 8 semesters. So
Okay.
first semester you paid 40,000 or 60,000. In the second semester you have also pay. You have to pay. So
Okay.
you need enter the same roll number, or roll number would be changed.
Same roll number.
So what we should do now? What should be the primary key? Think about that and tell me. Actually, I'm talking about the live scenario. No, if I'll put this,
Mhm.
then this is a student scenario. That's fine. But what is the
Okay.
live scenario? Live scenario it will not accept, because student roll number will be repeat. Because
Mhm.
in a course we have the 8 semesters.
Okay.
Each semester roll number should be same.
Hmm.
Fees might be same.
Can we?
Yeah.
But there is a rule that only one value can be a primary key, right? We
No,
can't take
no,
two.
no. Many. 1, 2, 3. Anyone. It should be unique combination.
Oh, okay. Oh, we can take a. Okay.
So what should be the primary
Uh,
key?
roll number and semester.
Correct. You are very correct now. So we should as a primary key. Now I am not adding as a primary key over here, because if I'll adding over here, then only it would be applicable only for roll number. If suppose
Okay.
I am adding primary key over here,
Mm-hmm.
then it is applicable only for roll number.
So roll.
I
Can
can't
I add?
I can't put
Uh,
over here.
okay.
It is
Okay.
it is not allowed. So
Okay.
now
Okay.
this would be the syntactical error. So I'm removing this, and what I am doing, I am, oh sorry, let me correct this one. So what I'm doing, I'm adding this primary key over here, a primary key, and they basically, what is this? Let me add this roll number, and this is the is 2 semester. Is it correct now? If we
Okay.
have the multiple fields, then we add the last one. Let me run this command. It should be run. It is running. Let me take select star from this table.
Mm-hmm.
Select star from student fee. I'm selecting. I can see there is a primary key. Okay, PK. Combination of them,
Oh.
both of them.
Mm-hmm.
This is the integer, and you can see I take this. These are the caps letter, but it is showing the
Mm-hmm.
small letter.
Yeah. Yeah.
By default, it would be small letter. Whatever you will put, it will come the small letter.
Okay.
So now I'm inserting the data. Hmm. What I'm doing, let me put this into the your SQL. I'm copying these things and putting into your SQL. Okay,
Okay.
your SQL is this. I'll share this SQL to you. No? Oh,
Yeah. Yes. Understood.
I think I missed some part. Yes, I missed that part. Okay. Okay, now let me insert some records. So insert wise, what I'm taking these inserts. Hmm. These insert into student fee and these are the values.
Okay.
So let me put these things. I'm running. I hope you know about that. There is no need to explain. Is it fine for
Actually,
you?
for student ID, we gave 1001, I guess.
Which one?
For student ID.
Okay, this is 1 1. It should not be 1 1. No? It should
Yeah.
be.
Yeah.
It should be. You are correct. Let me. I think we copied these things or not. These SQLs.
I don't know. We're not sure.
Let me put below there if it is there or not. Let me check. So student ID, what we are taking? Okay, we are taking these student values. These things we are taking,
Yeah.
and courses 101, 10 these things, and 101, 102, 103 as a branch name, and these are the course name. Okay. So let me change these things. It would be better for fetching the data. Uh, so let me put 1001 and this is
Mm-hmm.
the 101. Is it correct?
Yeah.
So
The second one is semester.
what is this? 1002. 1002. Let me put 1002. I'll change that one. I'll check what way is there.
Okay.
1003, 1003, 1004, and 1004, 1005, 1005, 1005, 106. So if let me select this one, what is the second column? Second column is the student semester. Hmm.
Mm.
This is a semester. Semester, I think we don't have the semester, no? So
We
we can
don't
put
have.
the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's fine. Hmm.
Okay.
We will have the semester 1, 2, 3 like that.
Mm-hmm.
These are the student. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm
Okay.
into inserting 10,000, 20 and these things. These are fees we are, adding these things. Let me enter this data. So think about that. This is the roll number.
Yeah.
First one. Second one is a.
Semester.
Third one is a course fee.
Mm.
Tuition fee. Other fee. Rebate 0. This is the due date. Due date is the
Mm.
2019, or you can do basically if you can change then 2022. You can put 28 Feb.
Okay.
Uh, Suppose this is a due date. I'm taking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's fine. And paid means it is already paid.
Date.
Okay, it is already paid or it is already. If it is null, then fees is due. So I'm
Okay.
I'm deleting first of all. Delete from student fee. If you will put the condition, then it will delete that particular row. Otherwise, it will delete the all rows. It is
Mm.
deleting, and I'm inserting again. Huh?
Yeah.
So I make this data now. If you can see, let me copy this data and put into your SQL. Okay,
Yeah.
so this data is prepared. Now let me come to that my topic. So I'm running this student fee. So these are the data you can see. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
we have the 12 rows, we have these roll number, we have this semester, we have this fees. So now I want to get the fee if it is due or it is not paid.
Mm-hmm.
There are the things.
Okay.
It is if how many student need to be pay the fee and what
Okay.
is the total amount that we need to be calculate. Okay,
Okay.
so that is called the aggregate function. Hmm.
O- Okay.
That is called the ag
Aggregate.
aggregate function.
Mm-hmm.
Let me give this here. Okay. If I'm using anywhere something I'm not using. Okay, no problem. Let me write this as well. Self join, close join. Okay, okay, okay. So now I'm coming. I'm writing select. First of all, I want to the student name and the total fees and due date. Hmm.
Okay.
So how you will do? Write this query first of all. Select. Tell me.
Select. First, we'll start from star and we'll join the two table
Select star from
from
student. Hmm.
a student.
Student.
Yes.
Because student is not there, then there is no meaning. Student is coming. Four students are there.
Yeah.
I'm writing. Post that. What I'm writing. Join student fee.
Is alias name.
You can give st student
Fee.
underscore fee.
SF.
Sf or you can give sf on condition
On
st
student roll number. Dot.
to roll number
Number.
equals to sf
Dot.
dot
It,
think
same only. STU roll number.
uh, column is to roll number, correct, is to roll number. Okay, whenever
Mm.
running then it should give the error as mentioned. Yes, it is not giving. Okay, it is coming
Mm.
from the select star. Star means all fields, all
All.
fields, huh?
Yeah.
So but I need what I want to select st
Name.
dot.
ST dot student name.
First of all, the roll number you can take comma,
Okay.
you can take st dot
Student name.
student name is to underscore name. Okay, and
Okay.
now if I'm running this, then it should be working fine.
Yes. Yes.
Now I need the fees. Fee means what you need? sf
SF dot
sf dot tell me is to underscore course fee,
course fee.
course fee comma sf dot
Other fee. Tuition fee.
tuition. I think spelling is might be misspelled.
Okay.
Tuition underscore fee
SF dot
sf dot
STU
other
underscore.
other fee. Acha, oh,
Yes.
sorry, stu underscore other fee and comma rebate stu
Okay.
underscore rebate
Rebate.
underscore fee. Suppose this is a fee and I'm putting sf dot. Okay, if I'm running, then data should become Okay, what I did wrong? It is saying SF dot
Tuition fee.
tuition fee. TOUTIUN. Mm, course fee. Okay, SF dot is to COURSC fee SF dot TOUTION.
SF.STU.
Oh, STU is missing.
Yeah.
You catch it. Right. Now you are a great. Okay, now what should I do? I'm running this. So now I
Yeah.
want to add these fields. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose
Okay.
I want to sum. Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Sum means I want to that is called the sum is the aggregate function. Sum, difference, average, max, minimum. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose you can run this query. Let me explain first. So suppose you are running select max, and post that you are entering this course fee. Okay,
Okay.
max course fee from student. So it will
Okay.
provide the maximum course fee for this column.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
SF is not there because I'm not using alias now. I'm using this one. So it is the 14,000. If you are
Okay.
taking the min means minimum salary,
Minimum.
minimum job whatever 10,000. If you are taking
Okay.
average, AVG is called the average. Then it will
Okay.
add the all fees and divide by the numbers,
Okay.
and it will give the this is the average fee 10,833.33.
Okay.
Are you understanding?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Good.
now, sorry, I am calling one aggregate function. That is fine. Sum, average, mix, max, or count. Count is also
Okay.
if you want to some count, COUNT
Mm-hmm.
count star. So it will give the number how many data is there.
Okay.
You can see okay 12 row are there.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
count and all those things, these are the aggregate function. What are the aggregate
Mm-hmm.
function? Tell me now.
Maximum, minimum, average, count, addition, subtract, division. Sorry, minus,
Aggregate
add,
function,
minus,
sum.
sum.
And basically these are the functions. If you use
Okay.
sum, max,
Min,
min,
average,
average,
count,
count,
minus.
minus or difference, I think you can check what is the minus or
Okay.
difference is there. I'm not sure you can check what is the
Okay.
difference or
Okay.
minus. I need to check what is this. And these are the basically functions that we use. So
Okay.
let me add basically do the sum over here. If I
Mm-hmm.
put this sum, hmm, if I
Mm.
put sum and put this bracket, this,
Student name. After the student name.
oh sorry, this is, this should become over here.
Okay.
Sum, huh, uh, let me check this. I'm taking sum, suppose. Let me put this sum over here. Course fee plus tuition fee. It is taking this one or it is taking plus sign. It is taking plus. I think it should be take plus or something else. Yes, it will take plus. Okay. So
Okay.
minus would be automatically would be applicable. If you to put the
Okay.
minus, then it will give the difference. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hmm. So course fee minus this from this one, it will do this one. So let me
Okay.
do this one sum and do this one and do minus.
Minus.
So basically this will be the as as final fee,
Fee.
hmm, or fee. ठीक है जी? You can do the
Okay.
is to fee is to, and this is the renaming. I put it,
Okay.
but it will not work.
Oui.
It should not be work as per my understanding. It give the error. Yes. So think about that. What is the error? Error means whenever you are using the aggregate function, this is the main important thing. Sawal, question will come into the interview or the
Okay.
on the written test. Every time will come. Whenever you
Okay.
will write the aggregate function, Alaika,
Okay.
then
Okay.
if you are fetching only one column, then no error will become.
Okay.
You are fetching only the aggregate function. That is fine. If you are putting some other column with the aggregate function,
Oh,
then you
okay.
need
Okay.
to put by the group by. Group by means, let me explain. Group by. Group by means these roll number and student name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Suppose you are putting the roll number over here. So
Okay.
it will group all roll numbers. Roll numbers means it will take a roll number and behalf on that will be group. Group by,
Okay.
let me explain group to you so you can understand. Now I am running this one.
Mm-hmm.
Think about that. So what is
Okay.
happening? It is not providing as per the student. What he is doing right now, he is adding the
Adding.
all student course fee
Yeah. Yeah.
and subtracting the all tuition fee.
Yeah.
Okay, think about that.
Okay.
It is not providing. Let me explain some more detail.
Individuals fees.
Individuals, it is not providing. So
Yeah.
suppose I am taking this one
Mm-hmm.
and I'm removing this one. I'm taking this one separate and I'm taking this as a cost me tuition fee. So think about that. I'm running this query.
Yeah.
This query is taking this record.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I'm running this thing. This taking this.
Okay.
What are the difference?
It's it's the addition of all course fee. This is addition of all tuition fees, all students' tuition fees.
I'm subtracting this one. So one
Yeah.
lakh 30,000 minus 26,400. So as per
Mm-hmm.
my understanding, it should be 1 lakh 4,600 or 3,600. Sorry, it should be like that.
Yeah.
641 910 and 213. It is correct now.
4. Yeah. 6 4. Okay. It's okay.
Whenever I'm adding
Okay.
this one, it is coming this one. So
Mm-hmm.
think about that. I'm running this SQL, then it is providing this output.
Yeah.
So what is happening? Now it is taking as a all student sum over here and all
Yeah.
tuition. But this is not
Mm-hmm.
useful because I don't want to check the collection. I want to check the individual student.
Individual.
So
Yeah.
whatever the individual field you want to calculate, you need to put into the group by.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever field you are putting over here, that should be coming to the
Okay.
group by. Otherwise, error will come. I am putting the roll number.
Oh,
I am running this one. Then definitely error will come. Okay.
student name also.
It is not come because it is taking only the because both are matching. Both are matching means both are unique. I'll explain
Oh,
that one. So suppose you can see the 101, okay, 102, 104. That is the student fee that has to be paid. So we are
okay.
adding this. This is as per the student wise it is coming.
Okay. Got it.
So now what I'm doing, I am adding one more student. Uh, these are the fee, no? Let me add the
Mm.
student. Let me add the student record. Student, this one, no?
Yeah. That's
So I am adding 104 is there, no?
yeah.
I am adding 105. Name is the Mira and roll number is the might be 7 and Mira
1.
1. Okay, and the same goes on. I'm adding this one.
Okay.
So let me, yes, I'm adding this one. This should be enter. Yes. So now I'm running this one. If think about
Mm-hmm.
that, whenever I'm running, I'm getting the student. Let me select star from student.
Okay.
So what is happening? You can see this is the two Mira,
Same name. Yeah.
same name, and this is the
Mm-hmm.
roll number are the different. Is it correct?
Okay.
So now I'm running this one.
Mm-hmm.
It is showing two Mira. It is taking as a roll number. Okay. Okay. Let me take a instead of roll number. I let me take the name.
Okay.
Then it is has the error. Why it is has the
Mm-hmm.
error? Tell me.
Because student name, there is same name for two records.
Because you
Roll
want to.
number.
No, the thing is that you want to display. There are the two things.
Okay.
You taken the group as a Mira. So both
Mm-hmm.
Mira as a collected by single one row. Group by means
Mm.
you will add a single record
Okay.
as per the name. Okay.
Mm.
So think about that. Suppose I'm displaying name. So Ram will be displayed, Sam will be displayed. Two Mira will be merged in a single
Into.
place and say or basically display as a Mira only. And the
Okay.
Iyer. So basically name would be Ram, Sham, Mira and Iyer. Okay.
Okay.
It would be
Okay.
displayed. But the thing is that roll number here is saying that you need to be display the roll number. So one Mira, how can display the two roll numbers? That is the
Mm-hmm.
gap.
Okay.
Are you understanding?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
either what you can do, you can remove this roll number. If you will remove this
Mm-hmm.
roll number, then what will happen? It will display the correct result. It is considered Mira as a single one.
So single
Both
one.
Mira would be combined together and display the fees.
Okay.
Are you understanding?
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
if
Got it.
you are putting this as a roll number here, then system is confused. Name you are
Mhm.
merging, you are doing the group by name,
Yeah.
and you are asking doing the separate roll number. It is not. It will not.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
now you have to do one thing. Either you can put a roll number into the group by. So roll number we have the unique, so it will separate the both miras. Mira
Okay.
1, Mira 2. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Second thing,
Correct.
either what you can do, you can put this is a both roll number as this one. Both you can put also.
Okay.
So that is also the same result will be.
Okay.
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 So I think you are good on that part.
Yeah.
Group by.
Good.
So now one more thing. If you are using the aggregate function,
Mm-hmm.
then you have the having instead of the where you have the having clause. Having hmm, is to fee is greater than 75,000. Okay. Mm, columns to fee is not taking. It should be go by having. Perhaps your meet the reference the column st dot is to name. No, I'm not taking. St dot is to name. Is to fee does not exist. Let me do this one. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Alias, let me check. This alias should become. But suppose I want to select this one, then what will happen? It should give the this result. Only more than 75,000 is it is coming. So it
Okay.
will not consider as a having. Sorry, where clause. You need to put the
Okay.
having clause.
Having.
So
Okay.
basically, group by and having there are the clause. So this is the general. We have the aggregate function. Hmm. Aggregate function is
Okay.
the sum, max, mean, average, count. Whenever we will
Okay.
use the aggregate function, then what condition we need to be displayed? Behalf we do the basically the separate or segregation or bifurcation.
Okay.
That is called
Okay.
the group by.
Okay.
And post that, if you are putting a some condition on the aggregate function, then you need to put the having clause
Having.
instead of the where. Post that you
Okay.
can put the where. I think where should be. Let me check where. Is 2 or st roll number equals to, let me check where is working or not, 1004.
Okay.
Oh, where it will not work over here, where should be work here.
Oh.
Hmm, something else should be work. Yes, where will work
Okay.
before group by.
Okay.
Are you clear now? So this
Yeah.
query
Okay.
has the where condition, post that
Mm-hmm.
group by and the having.
Okay.
Do you have any doubt? This is the major topic.
Okay.
Hmm.
I don't have any doubt.
Okay, let me put this also. I will share with you. Now let me explain to the next thing. Hmm.
Okay.
I'm removing this. So table student. Okay, that's fine. I think I give the cross join also. Cross join, full join. Explain to
The
you.
cross join, no, cross join,
Let
self join,
let me explain.
it's not explained.
Okay,
Okay.
let me explain the self join cross join. So basically, let me select star from student. Student, basically we
Mm-hmm.
have the student table and we have the student fee. Okay. So
Okay.
cross join means what will happen if you will see select student
Mm-hmm.
and if you will do select star from student fee. If I'm running both SQL once, then it might be done. I'm not sure, but only one table it is showing.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so so student is there. So this record basically is there.
Okay.
Let me copy this records one
Mm-hmm.
and paste over here so you can understand. And let me run the fee. So what will happen? These one student is there.
No.
So RAM will be
Mm-hmm.
come with the 101, 101, 102, 102, 103. It is coming to duplicate. Okay, this semester wise. So 101, 102, 102, 102. This RAM will come with each row. That is called the full join or cross join. Cross join. Let me run this cross join. It will give this result. Result will come. Uh, let me show you order by stu name. Hmm. It's
Okay.
to underscore name. So order by means will be sort, ascending or descending.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now you can think about the year is the first name. So year will come how many times? First of all, think about that. In the student we have the year.
Yeah.
A year will come with the one year will come all records with the student fee or whatever table you are using. So student fee suppose has how many records? 12.
12.
So a year will come 12 times with each records.
Oh, okay.
So suppose 12 records in one table and in this table how many records? In table 5. So how many
Mm-hmm.
total records should become?
60.
60. That is called the cross join. One thing.
But there is no meaning in that, right?
Meaning means we should have the all permutation and combination. For
Oh,
hacking purpose or
okay.
something else, we need to, there are the two numbers, there are the three numbers, we want to the all combinations.
Okay.
and
Okay.
and we want to select something else randomly. So suppose this is the things. And one more thing, you
Mm-hmm.
can't put the own condition in this join. This is the major thing. If you put the own
Okay.
condition, then it will not work. The reason is that because you are not matching any condition. Are you understanding what I want to say? Own condition means we are matching this id
Mm-hmm.
with this id.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Suppose I am putting student roll number.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose I am putting s dot student roll number and sf
Mm-hmm.
dot student this one. But there is no meaning. It will give the error. The
Oh,
other join we have these things. Think about that.
on condition. Yeah.
But in this join, because we have the all combinations, if you are putting the condition, then it should be match only.
It won't.
It will not work. That is called the
Oh,
cross join.
okay.
It will
Okay.
syntax error on. On doesn't has.
Oh,
Are you understanding
okay.
what I want to say?
Yeah, yeah. Got it. Got it.
So this is called the cross join. So I explained to you cross join also.
Okay.
Where is the join? I put it
Self.
anywhere. Oh, okay. Let me put the joins, inner join, outer or inner join or join one something, and left inner join,
Join.
left join or left inner join, both are the same. Okay, let me put in the some other way, join or inner join, left join or left inner join, both are the same thing.
Okay.
And we have the post that
Right. Right join.
right join or right inner join.
Right image.
Post that I explained the cross join.
Cross join.
Let me explain the full join also. So into the full join, let me run this one. Instead of this, put the full join and remove this. Run this. Oh, order will not be found because the thing is that. So how many records are coming over here? What is the full join meanings? Do you understand or not? Full
Full join.
actually
It,
there are the what is the meaning of left join?
left side table.
All,
Every value
all
will be
from
matched.
left side. If matching, then are
Yeah.
coming from the right. Otherwise, it is showing the blank. Is it correct?
Yeah. That's right.
Plus, what is the meaning of right join?
The same in the right side everything will come in from the left side table whichever matches will come.
Is called the full join.
Okay.
So now
Mhm.
think about that. Whatever the value are matching on the left hand side will come. Not matching this. If I'm running this one, then I'm showing the result to you.
Oh, the value which is matching both
So
the side.
you matching, and these value are not matching. 106.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
106 is only on right hand side. 105
Okay.
are matching, that's fine. We have on the if value are matching, then we are getting. If value is not
Mm-hmm.
matching, 106 is coming from the right hand side. Think about that, this one. So
Okay.
106 row, basically the student doesn't has the record 106.
Mm.
106
Okay.
has only the student fee. Think about that.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Student has
Yeah.
only
Yeah.
the 105 and
Right. But fees the student six. Yeah.
student 6 also. So 6 is coming.
Mm.
That's fine. Let me enter the student record as a 107.
Okay.
Hmm. It
But
should
no
not be
fee.
matched on the right hand side.
Mm.
107
Okay.
name is Yogi.
And everything happened there.
So think
In
about that.
the
107 is
yeah.
coming over here, but this is
Mhm.
the blank.
Okay.
106 is on the
Okay.
right hand side, it is blank.
Yeah.
That is called a full join.
Mm-hmm.
I think now you would be good on the full join.
Yeah. I'm good.
And any full join equals, let me put this one. Cross join all records, all permutation and combination, all combinations. Suppose two rows in table 1 into 3 rows in table 2, then result would be 6.
Five.
Okay,
Six. Sorry, six.
so you can understand these things. Okay, So I think we have covered the full join, close join, right? And in what is the that is called a self
Self
join.
join.
Actually, let me explain the self join. Self join is not a join. Hmm.
Okay.
Self join means what is the self join? If you will write over here anywhere there is a self, then it will not work.
Okay.
I'm not sure self join is writing it is taking or not. No, self is not a keyword into the database. Okay.
Okay.
So self is not a keyword. Self join is a join that we basically take as per the logic wise. Logic wise, how we will take the logic, I'll explain to you. So
Okay. Sure.
suppose, let me explain. I'm creating a table. That table is the employee. So employee has the ID, name, and manager ID, MID. Okay.
Okay.
I'm running this one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm running this one. I'm creating this table, and I'm entering these records.
Okay.
So if I'm selecting the employee now, so this is my table. Employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and employee name is the A, B, C, D, E. And employee manager. So 2 is a manager of 1. Is it correct? 2
Yeah.
is a manager of 2 itself. 3 doesn't has any manager. Fourth manager is 5. And 5 manager doesn't has any manager. So
Okay.
I want to know the name of employee as their managers. So suppose what I want to print as a basically the employee name
And the manager.
and manager name. So
Mm-hmm.
output should be like that. First is the A and the manager would be
B.
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 And the second one employee is
B.
B
B.
and manager would be B.
B.
And third one C
C.
and manager would
No.
be null or something. And D would be manager would be E
E.
and E should be blank. There is no manager.
Yeah.
So such type of the output I need. So basically self join is a join where we put the same condition on the basically we create a join into a single table instead.
Okay.
Right now we are creating the join into the multiple tables, 2 tables, 3 tables, 4 tables like that. Now
Mm.
I am creating a join on a single table that is called a self join.
Okay.
Let me put. Suppose I'm creating select, suppose star from employee, EMP, making instance as a E1. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And putting join. Which join should be put? Left join
Self.
because I need the all left table records. If it's matching, then I will fetch on the right, otherwise it will say null. I'm not taking inner
Okay.
join, I'm taking left join. E1,
Okay.
suppose this is a E1 table and same has the
Okay.
E2 table. I'm making 2 tables
Mm-hmm.
now. I'm taking the left.
Same table itself we have to consider as a two table. Is that right?
Yes, I'm taking second table as a employee, same table as a E2.
Okay.
I make as a 2 instance of employee, E1 and E2. Now I am taking E1 dot what value? ID, employee ID
Mm-hmm.
should be equal.
E2 dot in.
Is it correct or not? Tell me one thing.
E2 dot MID.
Correct. E2 dot MID. That means M underscore ID should be equal. Sorry, E1. Sorry, E1. 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 This ID equals to what should be E2 dot ID.
ID.
Is it correct or not? Basically,
Yeah.
the manager ID should be matched
E.
second one as a
ID.
ID.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now
Mm-hmm.
what I want to print? I want to print as a E1.
Name.
E1 dot
Name.
name, comma
E2 dot name.
E2 dot
Name.
name. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Let me check. Okay. Should I put the on condition?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, on condition.
Can you check A, B, B,
Mm-hmm.
B,
B, C.
B, E,
Yeah,
C, and E null? Is it correct?
yeah, correct.
That is
Uh,
going the.
One more question. I no need to write self join in that query. Self join
No, no,
like
self
that.
is not a keyword. That's why I'm saying self actually we say whenever we put a join into the same table, making the two instance, two alias,
Mm-hmm.
that is known as the self join.
Okay.
Self join is not a join. That's why I'm explaining.
Mm-hmm.
Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it now.
Huh?
It's just tool self join, but we don't use the self word
That
keyword in that.
this is main interview question. Every time they ask the, they will give the table, create this table, and
Mm-hmm.
will ask the write the query, and everybody will
Mm-hmm.
be fail most probably. That that is the major thing. That's because they ask, can you explain the self join? And the student says okay, or the guy says okay, self join is might be the having the self keyword. They ask, can you write a self join query? They use the self keyword, then everybody will understand, okay, he didn't you know use SQL for
Mm-hmm.
the self join. He actually, they don't want basically the thing is that suppose I'm taking your interview,
Mm-hmm.
so I can't your basically the all things. How do you know
Yeah.
what is the your basically the area? I want to know how much percentage you are basically the saying the right, or a truth, or
Mm-hmm.
you are explaining some false things to me. You are guessing and you
Mm-hmm.
are explaining. So I want
Okay.
to check your basically the thinking, your mind, your positive thought status, and your
Mm-hmm.
nature, instead of doing the
Okay.
knowledge. Because knowledge you can
Mm-hmm.
gain in any industries, no doubt. I can
Yeah, yeah,
explain,
yeah.
other people can explain, nobody. But if your
Mm-hmm.
attitude is negative, then we can't change.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
So we
Mm-hmm.
focus. So I suppose I am asking the self join, and you are saying the one
Mm-hmm.
question, sir, I don't know about that. So I
Okay.
didn't observe you, because
Mm.
the thing is that you already said not truth, na. You don't know.
Yeah.
So I can't rejected you. But if you are saying, if you are writing the self, then I can reject now.
Mm.
Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So the
Understood.
thing about that. Okay, so now I think it is fine.